You guys have all the reason in the world to be mad at me. I know I have failed the upload schedule. I've been trying my hardest to get content out, but work has been non-stop. These past 3 weeks, I've been just busting it left and right, 70, 80 hours a week. So with that being said, the more work I get, obviously the more money I get, so I can order more parts. And if you guys couldn't tell by the obvious title in the video, we've got some parts for the Dodge. The one being this guy. I want to open this box on camera. I've been kind of holding this off. I've been super excited, so let's just get this out of the way real quick. Let me set the camera over here. Of course my battery's dying. What's new? Oh, it's wrapped up so nicely. Gotta be careful, gotta be careful. Might break it. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. Woo! Alright, hold on guys, hold on. Look how freaking minty it is. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at all the clips. They're all there. Alright, hold on guys. Let me get the rest of the wrapping off of it. I am so excited to get this in the truck. This is so unbelievably clean. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Looks so good. Probably gonna have to order the defrost vents. Did not realize that they did not come with the actual top itself. So, if you couldn't tell, that's the big portion of the video. We've also got some other goodies here. We've got our gauge pod for the A-pillar there with a little tweeter guy. We got some brand new lower control arms for the Dodge. I gotta replace these. The one is bent on the driver's side and the bushings are going, so might as well go ahead and knock both of these out. Then that's the short block for the Subaru, because that is going bye-bye. That's now a full core charge. Obviously the intake is, you know, staying with us, but that block's going back as a core. Brand new short block from Subaru. That thing was mic'd and built into spec from Subaru, so I don't have to worry about it. No headaches. I just pull that out. I got the heads in the back of the truck. Let me see if the truck's unlocked. I think it is. Hey, give me one sec. We've got the heads back here, fresh from machine, fresh deck, new valve jobs, new valve stems. We got some ARP head bolts here. I picked up from Justin, got these guys. He did not need them because he had a Subaru, a 2.5. We've got a bunch of stuff for the Subaru so we can get that thing back on the road, and then obviously a bunch of stuff for the Dodge. As far as the trip goes with the Jeep, as you guys can see, the Jeep is hiding over here behind the fence. They are actually removing a tree from our backyard. So they've got all this stuff removed, and this big tree, you can see the rope hanging in it over here. There it is, there's the rope. But they've got that guy coming down, so they've had to get into our backyard. So the Jeep's over here. That's kind of gone on the back burner because sadly, I hate to, you know, report this news, but Talon's truck, the Tacoma, the same truck that towed me everywhere to all the OSW events and stuff, and you know, he took me back and forth to get engines, all the stuff while I didn't have a truck. It sadly was T-boned, and he's not making the URI trip, so we probably are pushing that off till next year. I don't really want to, you know, push it off, and I was kind of upset about it happening, but it is what it is. It's life. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna stop rambling. We'll just go ahead and wrap this video up in just a second. I'm gonna get everything cleaned up, and then I'll let you guys know what's going on in the next video, because I have obviously gauges on the way for the pillar pod, and then I ordered one other thing. I have one other thing on the way for the Dodge. Shoot, can't remember what it was. I have to go back on my Amazon cart and look, but we've got a ton more stuff coming for that guy. And as you guys can see, the new dashboard and all that. Oh, a heater core. I got a heater core, but I'm probably gonna return it and try to find an OEM one, a copper or a brass one, because I heard the aluminum ones suck. So I'm gonna replace that while I'm in the back of the dash here. And then this cover guy that I have here, this will be for sale. So, all right guys, let me get this cleaned up real quick and I'll check in with you just a second. So before I wrap the video up, I just want to apologize one more time, guys. I'm sorry that I am not doing any installations or anything in this video. It's just a bunch of me rambling and talking, but I do want to keep you guys up to speed with what's going on the channel and everything that's happening. Just with work, it's just kind of a headache. Hopefully here in the next couple weeks, the hours are going to be slowing down. We've kind of confirmed that. I'm going to be, doing some other side work and such, and trying to build my small little welding automotive company that I've got going on here, just little by little. And I'm really grateful for you guys being patient and working with me. Here soon, guys, we'll just be hitting the ground running. As soon as I can get the Subaru back on the road, the 240's coming in here. We're going to stitch up the bay, get it all primed up, start sanding the car down, get the car all sanded, prepped for paint. Got a clutch that's going to be coming for this guy here. I also picked up a couple AN fittings so I can weld these in on the oil pan. So there's a lot of stuff to come, guys. Just be patient with me. I will definitely get everything all sorted, and we will get right back to where we were 6 months ago, drifting. And then obviously we'll have a lot more Cummins content with this guy staying on the channel. She'll be sticking around. We're going to be replacing the box, prepping her for paint. There's just so much stuff. So again, I'm sorry. I appreciate you guys holding through. Just a couple more weeks and hopefully we can get this ball rolling and get her going. I will see you guys in the next upload. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Check out all our old videos. We have so much stuff that we've done, from Moab to Wheeling, Colorado to drifting OSW. We just do it all. We enjoy it all. So thank you again, guys. I will see you in the next upload. Later.